Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2016 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, rear, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.